Spidey's web slinging just went airborne. It's a bird. It's a plane. No, it's Spidercopter.
Wow.
The Hulkcopter. When Hulk gets airborne, you know there's a storm brewing in the sky. From suit to chopper in a snap. Iron Man's helicopter armor soaring into the future. Loki's new ride is a chopper with a twist. You never know which realm he'll land in next. From shield to rotor blades, Captain America's new gear is ready to defend justice from above. Batman takes to the skies in the Batcopter. Gotham's streets just got a lot less crowded. Black Widow soaring as a helicopter. Her mission, to spin a web of safety high above. Black Panther now patrols Wakanda's skies in the Panthercopter, a new level of Wakandan innovation. Doctor Strange's magical chopper. When portals are to mainstream, the Sorcerer Supreme takes to the skies.
Wow.
Guarding the galaxy from above, Gamora's helicopter adds a new twist to superhero transportation. Helicopter Nebula, a celestial chopper patrolling the skies, defending Earth from cosmic threats. Nick Fury takes command in the Heli Furicopter, shielding us from threats, one rotor spin at a time. Quicksilver's new gig, Helicopter Hero, saving lives and making turbulence a thing of the past. Helicopter Witch. When magic meets machinery, the result is spellbinding flights and mystical turbulence. Thunder God turns Sky Warrior. Thor's helicopter is the real Thorbuster of the skies. Superman takes flight in a different way, ensuring safety and justice from the cockpit of his supercopter.
Wow.
From Guardians of the Galaxy to Guardians of the Helicopter, Star-Lord's got a new mission up high. Captain Marvel's new ride is turbocharged and ready for liftoff. Higher, further, faster, in a chopper. Aquaman making waves from the skies. The Aquacopter is ready to protect the oceans and beyond. Wonder Woman's rotorcraft soaring above with Amazonian grace, a true symbol of skybound strength. Ghost Rider trades his fiery bike for a blazing helicopter. Hell's traffic jam doesn't stand a chance. Sersi's chopper, a celestial chariot in the skies, bringing a touch of eternity to the world below. The Venomcopter, where symbiote meets rotor. Gotham's skyline will never be the same again. Groot's chopper, the leafiest, friendliest way to travel. Where should we take Groot Clecopter next? The Mad Titan takes to the skies Thanoscopter, the ultimate vehicle for cosmic conquest. Helicopter Pool, when you need a chopper to catch bad guys, but also want to make a stylish entrance. Behold Valkyrie, the helicopter guardian of the heavens, ensuring safe passage to the afterlife. A Flash in the sky. The Flash's new ride turns turbulence into a breeze at supersonic speeds. Rocket Raccoon has traded his blasters for rotor blades. This furry aviator is ready for high-flying heists. Heli Warrior Edition. Aerial Justice just got a powerful armored upgrade. Ant-Man takes flight in a microcopter. Talk about going to new heights, and I mean really small heights. Hawkeye takes to the skies. With pinpoint precision, he ensures every landing is a bullseye.